Hi, boys and girls. We're going to have a math lesson now. And I want you to gather some supplies out of your toolkit before we get started. You're going to need your dry erase marker and your 10 frame card that should look like this. And then I've just grabbed a piece of paper towel so I can wipe off. So if you can get those out of your toolkit, you can pause me, and then when you get those things, you can start back up the video. Okay, I'm going to say a number, and I want you to take your 10 frame, and I want you to put a circle in the 10 frame, and then we're also going to write that number. So I'll show you one. So if I say the number 1, I'm going to write the number 1, and then I'm going to, down here in this 10 frame, I'm going to fill in one circle. Okay, so that would be what it would look like for number 1. I'm going to write numbers in one 10 frame and draw my circles in the other 10 frame. Okay, so let me clean that one off. All right, so let's go ahead and try number 1. So write a 1 in the top 10 frame, and then a counter circle in the bottom 10 frame, and yours should match mine. Your circles don't have to be perfect, and they don't have to be filled in. This is just for practice. Okay, go ahead and erase that. Okay, let's try the number 3. So I'm going to write the number 3 on my top 10 frame, and I'm going to draw 3 counters on my bottom 10 frame. Okay, and it should look kind of like this. Good job. Let's try another one. We have to erase that one first. Okay, the next number we're going to do is 7. 7. So write a 7 on the top 10 frame. I'm doing mine as well. And I'm drawing 7 counters at the bottom. And when I get them drawn, I'm going to go back and I'm going to count them again, just to make sure that I got 7, because it's kind of tricky sometimes to draw and count at the same time. Okay, so let me count mine quietly. Okay, and if I ever get going too fast, just put me on pause, and then you can start it back up when you get caught up. Okay, so here's what mine looks like. I have the 7, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. Good job. Okay, erase. Let's try one more. Let's try 5. So I'm going to write the number 5 on the top 10 frame, and then I'm going to draw 5 counters on the bottom 10 frame. Okay, again, I'm going to check what I drew. Okay, let's see how I did. Okay, I have a number 5. Let's check my counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I don't need this one, so I need to erase that one. Let me erase that one, and let's check me again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm right. Now I match. Okay, good job. Go ahead and erase that 10 frame. Make sure the lid is tightly on your marker. You don't want to write on the floor or any of our clothes. And put that away. And then we're going to read a story. It's called 10 Apples Up on Top. And I'm going to read it through once, and then we'll go back and we'll look at some more of it. Okay? 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, 3, I see, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now see here, 8, 8 on top, 8 apples up. Not one will drop. 8, 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out, I see them up. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you, one and all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop, the mop, the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop, stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Uh-oh. Look, not let them fall. The end. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to 2 or 3 pages, and we're going to look and we're gonna stop and see how many apples are on some of these creatures. And we're gonna go back to our 10 frame and our marker with our paper towel for an eraser. And we're gonna do the same thing we did before. Once we count them together, we'll write that number and then we'll record those counters at the bottom. So let's see what page we are going to do first. I am recording at school and it is the first Friday of the month. So the siren, don't worry about that. And we'll just keep going if you hear that in the background. Okay, check this page out. Okay, how many apples do you see on the lion's head? Let's count them. 1, 2. So I'm going to take my 10 frame. And I'm going to write it 2. And then I'm going to draw 2 counters at the bottom to match my book in my page. Okay, okay, can you match those? Good job. Now we're going to erase, and let's do another page. Let me see what we have now. Okay, let's look at the page. Let's look at the page with the dog. How many apples does the dog have this time? Can you count them? Let me point. How many did you count? I counted 4. Hopefully you counted 4 as well. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm going to take my 10 frame again, and I'm going to write a 4 at the top, and then I'm going to draw 4 counters at the bottom to match that up. Okay. How'd I do? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need to draw another one, don't I? Let me draw another one. Now do I have 4? Yes. Now I have 4. Okay. Nice job today. You have you have an online activity to do, and then you have a couple offline things to do, and I think that you're going to really like those today. So go ahead and do those, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.